Understanding the phrase, suffer a disgrace in English. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, suffer a disgrace. This is a phrase that can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for those who are learning English as a second language. We will break down its meaning, usage, and context to help you grasp it fully. So, let's dive in. Suffer a disgrace is a phrase that combines two words, suffer and disgrace. Individually, suffer means to experience something bad or unpleasant, and disgrace refers to a loss of reputation or respect. When these words come together, the phrase describes a situation where someone experiences a significant loss of respect or honor. It's often used in contexts where there's public embarrassment or shame involved. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the scandal, the politician suffered a disgrace and had to resign. Here, the phrase indicates that the politician faced public humiliation and lost respect due to the scandal. 2. The athlete suffered a disgrace when it was revealed that they cheated in the competition. This suggests that the athlete's reputation was severely damaged because of the cheating incident. These examples show how suffer a disgrace is used in situations of public shame or dishonor. It's also helpful to know some synonyms or similar phrases. Fall from grace implies a loss of status or respect. Lose face, commonly used in Asian cultures, meaning to lose dignity or respect. Be disgraced, a direct synonym, meaning to lose honor or respect. Understanding these can give you more options when expressing similar ideas. Suffer a disgrace is a powerful phrase that describes experiencing a significant loss of respect or honor, often in a public setting. Remember, language is not just about words but how they come together to convey deeper meanings. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.